So what's up, guys? Welcome to Venom Pranav Academy, and in this video we are simply going to look at how to find the irrational numbers existing between two numbers. So in this video I'm simply going to show you two formulas, okay, that you are going to use to find either the irrational numbers or the irrational number existing between two given numbers. So it can be multiple irrational numbers that you're looking for, or simply one irrational number that you're going to look at. So now remember that irrational numbers are going to be non-terminating and non-recurring, and they cannot be expressed as a fraction. Okay, so the first method, let's assume we've got two numbers, but we are going to represent these two numbers in terms of letters so that we simply get the formula, then we'll be able to apply it. So let's say you've got V and Y as the two given digits. Okay, let's say V and W as the two given digits. Okay, to find the irrational numbers that exist in between V and W, you are simply going to take the square root of the product of V and W. So this is the simple formula. Okay, the only thing that you need to do now is to apply it. So let's say you've been given the root of 3 and the root of 4, and they're asking you to find the irrational numbers existing between these two numbers. So what are you going to do? You're simply going to take the root of 4 times the root of 3, and you know that if you've got the root of A times the root of B, then the product is simply going to be the root of A times B. So in this case, you are going to have this, the root of 4 times 3, which is going to be the root of 12. And you also remember that every time you've got the square root of anything, it simply means that number raised to the power half. Okay, so if you've got the root of A, the square root of A, it simply means A to the power half. So this means that you've got 12 to the power half. Okay, and then this other square root also means half, so you're going to have 12 to the power half raised to the power half. So when you multiply these two halves, what do you get? You get 12 to the power 1 over 4 as your answer. Okay, so you can find, it doesn't mean the numbers that you're going to be given are always going to be square rooted or that. They can be any numbers. Sometimes we can assume V is 5 and W is 6, and we are simply going to say 5 times 6, and the irrational number existing between these two numbers is going to be the root of 30. Now this is the first method. The next method is where you've been given numbers. Let's say you've been given 3 and 4, then they ask you to find the irrational numbers existing between 3 and 4. So what you are going to do is you are going to find the rational numbers that are existing between 3 and 4. Okay, you first find the rational numbers, and those rational numbers should be greater than 3 but less than 4. So you realize that those numbers are simply going to be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, all the way up to 3.9, because it should be greater than 3 but less than 4. Okay, so when you do this, you realize that these are rational numbers. So for you to make them irrational, you simply add this. You get 3.1 and add 0, add 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then you put those because they will continue going. So the trend is you add 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then here, if you are to add the other zeros, there will be 4 of them, then another one. So the zeros continue increasing. So you see 1, here there are 2, here there are 3, here there will be 4, then another one, then 5, then another one, just like that. So this method is used when you're finding multiple irrational numbers existing between two given numbers. The other method, you're simply going to use it when you're simply looking for one irrational number that is existing between two given numbers. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, to comment, and to share these videos with your friends. Okay, see you in the next video.